Hi everyone, it's Vicky from the Academy team, and I'm here today to tell you about the latest camera from Fuji, the X-H1. The X-H1 is Fuji's first 5-axis in-body image stabilised camera. It boasts a bigger grip, black scratch-proof paint, a silent mechanical shutter, and the resolution of the viewfinder has been improved too. It also has a brand new touchscreen and Bluetooth capability. Similarly to the GFX, it has a thicker body and larger hot shoe mount, making it very ergonomic when using it out in the field. Wildlife and sports photographers will be pleased to hear of an upgrade in the AFC performance, as well as flicker-free indoor sports shooting. The most impressive feature on this camera, however, is its new video functionality. With 120 frames per second high-speed recording and the new Eterna film simulation, this camera has the perfect combo for anyone into photography or videography alike. I've really enjoyed using the X-H1 today. From the improved ergonomics to the screen on the top, the inbuilt image stabilisation and the improved movie features, this is the perfect hybrid camera for any situation you might be in. So if you'd like to know more information, then feel free to pop into one of your local Jessops stores or visit us at jessops.com. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.